Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to activate the low power mode or low battery mode on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and the way to activate those low power mode is so simple. You just need to visit the settings, and in this setting you just need to scrolling down until you found the battery options right here. And now you just need to go click the battery one, and you will see two options. On the top rows there will be a battery percentage and low power mode. To activate the low power mode, you just need to go click this button, and you will see that the color of the battery is changed from green to yellow, means that the low battery mode is already activated into your phone. So that's the way how to activate the low power mode on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.